Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Sheffield Classic Snack Maker. On the front of the box we have an image of the snack maker itself. On the bottom we have the model number, which is SH-1011. On the left hand side of the box we have some popcorn being made by the snack maker, and there are some instructions pertaining to that. Over here we have a sticker with some importing and manufacturing information. On the right hand side of the box we have a list of some of the snacks that can be made using the snack maker, including popcorn, peanuts, Fryums, cashew-nuts, rice tubes, finger chips, almonds, papad, coffee beans, and many more. Over here we have a few of the salient features, which include quick and easy operation, 3 to 5 minutes of cooking time, measurement cup included to measure the ideal quantity of corn. It works with hot air, so no need to add oil. It has an on-off switch and non-slip rubber feet. Over here we have instructions on how to roast papad. On the bottom, the no oil needed feature has been listed again, and over here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. The back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, so is the top, and there's nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of an instruction manual and warranty card. This should help you out with using the snack maker efficiently and safely. We also have the warranty card in it, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next is the lid of the snack maker. It pops on like this, and it has a few vents for the hot air to escape out from. We also have a measuring spoon in which you can measure various items like popcorn seeds, and it can be kept on the lid like this. This is what the snack maker looks like in its fully assembled state. Coming to the device, we can see that it has a white and yellow color theme going for it. There's also some black on the top, Sheffield branding on the front, and over here on the inside is where you can roast the various snacks. Coming down to the cable, it has a 3-pin Indian plug on the end, and the cable is approximately 25 to 26 inches long. On the side we have the on-off switch, as we know from the box. On the bottom are the 3 anti-skid pads, so if you keep this on a smooth surface or kitchen counter, it won't slide around too much. We also have the voltage values on a sticker on the bottom, which says that it requires a power consumption of 230 volts at 50 Hz, and it is a 1200 watt device. So this was the unboxing of the Sheffield Classic Snack Maker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.